How to fix Netflix not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Whether it's due to an app glitch, internet connection issue, or a software update, there are several ways to troubleshoot and fix Netflix. Check your internet connection. Launch your settings, toggle on for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Open the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, restart the Netflix app. Launch it, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then remove the app, then again relaunch it. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart and clear temporary system glitches that may affect Netflix. Launch your settings, head over to the option of General, click on the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Next, check for updates for the Netflix. Launch your App Store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, update iOS to the latest version. Launch your Settings app, navigate to the option of General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it to its latest version. Check Netflix server status. Launch your preferred browser, head over to the website, Down Detector, type in Netflix and then search for it. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, you can reinstall the Netflix app. For that, press and hold on the Netflix app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store, search for the app Netflix and then download it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Netflix not working on your iPhone and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.